Yo, hello everyone! Are you looking to gather valuable insights and feedback through online questionnaires? Typeform is an intuitive and user-friendly platform that allows you to create interactive and engaging surveys. In this video, we will guide you through the process of creating a questionnaire using Typeform. So, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first thing first, I will get up to my browser and then search for questionnaire as you can see here, and then I'm gonna click on the first website. Here it is, as I think this one. So I'm going to it, and then what I'm going to do simply is log in. So I will sign up for free to start making my questionnaire. And now, as you can see, I have signed up for free. First of all, here we shall actually give a name for our survey. So let's give it a name, which is tutorial, and let's create a survey. Now, let's give it some time, and here it is. And for this survey, I will need a topic. So I will get help from ChatGPT to actually get questions and to get topics idea. So let's go to ChatGPT from here and let's do new chat. And here I will ask it for some topics idea. For example, um, give me a title for football survey. So here it is for the fantastic insights and opinions. And I can actually change, as you can see, the title that I have chosen in the beginning. I have no problem with that. And then the next thing is give me some questions to put in that survey. And now it will start giving me some questions and give me some options for each question. Okay, that's it. Now let's give us some options so people can choose from these options. So now he's generating options. Here we can choose, for example, the first one, as you can see here, copy it, and then click here to add the question. So here we go, add question. And here we'll have to choose how our question is going to be built. So is it going to be select one, select many, drop down, etc. So I'm going to pick select one, and here we have to put our question and here our answers. So they actually give us already the answers. So daily, multiple times per week, once in a while. So this is actually pretty good. So once you put the question, they will generate some of answers that are actually pretty related to the question itself. As you can see here, how frequently do you watch football matches? Never, once in a while, about half the time, most of the time, always. So this is our first question. Now I'm going to click on add question to add one more question. Here, which football league do you follow the most? So here I'm going to actually go with select many. So why? Because here there are gonna be like so many leagues that are very like so many people are actually not watching one league. For example, for me myself, I watch La Liga, which is Spanish league. I watch the Serie A league, which is the Italian league, and the English Premier League, of course. So I'm going to copy those answers and then paste them here. And I will just keep like let me just remove this for example, copy this, paste it here, copy this, paste it here, and so go on. So this actual survey will allow us to decide people how much time they watch football, which kind of leagues they watch the most, so we can make a graph or a statistic about how many people watch football and which is the most league being watched through all these viewers. Now we are done with this question. Let's go to the next question, which is for me is gonna be, for example, a drop down list or drop down menu. So here let's choose a drop down menu and they're gonna choose from these. So in this question I'm going to pick this, what is your favorite football team? So paste it over here and then here they shall give us some options. So let's edit each options. I'm going to add Real Madrid, of course, Barcelona, Manchester United. Here we go. What else? Manchester City. Here we go. Sorry. Here we can add Arsenal. We can even add Liverpool. And finally here we can like add Paris Saint-Germain. And just like that, done editing. So this is the list that they can choose from. And then click on add another question. Here, basically what I'm going to do is choose a comment box. In this comment box, the people themselves, they can write whatever they want as an answer. So let's do this here. And let's comment suggestions. I'm going to change it to um, who is your favorite player and why. So it's gonna be something like that. And here they can just do whatever you like. Here you can add some validation logic settings to the answer. So they are not really like they are not really scamming or doing some bot things, so you can really force a response. So you can do everything through here, validation messages, you can do whatever you'd like. Here you can go to settings and even make the limit of characters. So you can make maximum length of the text so you don't write like a whole article or something like that. And you can do whatever you like from answer type, numeric, email address, single row text, as you may see in here in this bar of settings. So you can go through all of it and choose the correct answers and details for you. Now, this is for the questions that we are talking about. Now, when you feel like you're done with everything, you need to do here, add a logo. So we can add even a logo here, for example, this one. We can add like a football logo, it's not necessary to be this one. And then in the end we can add a footer which can be like thanks everyone, save, and that's how it looks like. We can add a thank you page as well, and this is the thank you page. So for the footer I'd like to make it in the middle, just like so, for answering the quiz, and then we can simply preview it through this page. So here, this is how it's gonna look like. Click on start to start the questions. So how frequently you watch football matches? About half the time, most of the time. So next, here, which football league do you follow the most? It is a multiple options, so we can choose multiple kind of options. So La Liga, English, and League One. Next, here, what is your favorite football team? Barcelona. Next, and here, what is your favorite player and why? So you can write anything and then done. And here it is. Thank you for completing the survey. I have completely done with it and everything is done. When I refresh this and it is a live like answers, you'll get here your responses. You can go to them and check them out by yourself. So here it says all the details and graphs about the survey itself. So yeah guys, that was completely it about this video. Thanks a lot for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.